Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to easily buy USDT on Kraken. First, you will need to set up and verify your Kraken account. This process typically takes only a few minutes. Once verified, you can deposit funds into your account using various methods, like a bank transfer or a debit card. After your funds are available, head over to the Buy Crypto section to start your purchase. Next, you will select Tether or USDT from the extensive list of cryptocurrencies available on Kraken. Once you have chosen USDT, simply input the exact amount you wish to buy. You can specify this in either the amount of USDT or the equivalent value in your chosen fiat currency, like US dollars or euros. Kraken makes it straightforward to see the conversion. Before finalizing, take a moment to carefully review all the details of your order. This includes the amount of USDT, the total cost, and any applicable fees. Kraken clearly displays these figures, so you know exactly what you are paying. Once you are satisfied with everything, simply click the Confirm button to complete your purchase. It is a quick and secure process. Congratulations! Your newly acquired USDT will now be visible in your Kraken Spot wallet. From here, you have several options. You can choose to hold it, trade it for other cryptocurrencies, or even withdraw it to an external wallet. Remember to always prioritize security by enabling features like two-factor authentication for your account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.